everyone, Maria here with MC Art Designs, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm diving into an exciting project using the pearl technique. This piece is a special collaboration with Sara Taylor and her wonderful Patreon community. So Sara challenged us to use two colors, Payne's gray and magenta, along with either a translucent base coat or a multicolored base coat. So I kind of chose to do both. I used a translucent base coat on one side and a gray mixture on the other side. My gray color actually came from leftover paints from previous pours. I just scrape it off the table, strain it, and bottle it up for future use. And that's what I used in this piece. I did add a little bit of titanium white just to lighten it up a bit. So I'm going to play a little bit of music, let you watch the creation, and I'll come back in later to talk about the finished piece. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, those gray cells, those gray pearl cells were overtaking the colors, but I did manage to keep the presence of magenta and Payne's gray in the end. Working with this technique can be extremely challenging, with either not enough cells or too many taking over your colors. It's a delicate balance, and I fight with it in every piece. I have to say that I'm extremely happy with this piece, and I want to thank Sara Taylor so much for inspiring me and everyone else to keep trying new things and get out of our comfort zones. This collaboration was a first for me, and I can't tell you how happy it made me not only to participate, but to be a part of such a wonderful group of artists who support one another. So please check out Sara Taylor with Sara Taylor's Modern Art. She's an amazing artist to learn from, and her work is just breathtaking. I'll put a link below to check her out her channel and the piece she made in this collaboration as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really want to thank you for being here and watching my video. If you have any questions about the process or how I mix paints, please comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day. See you on the next video.